Hey guys, I got a special for you. We got a binder collection for you. Let's see what we can't pull out of this. Beautiful looking Prismatic Evolutions binder. This is what we're really after. So we got 5 packs out of it. First pack magic, let's see what we got. Something shiny in the back. Noctowl 2. There we go, Trainer Full Art. Alright, let's see what the second pack has in store for us. Alright, let's see what it's got. Unfortunate. Eeny, mini, miny, mo. Alright, let's see what we got here. Last card is a... Ooh. I think that might be a full art. Ah, there we go. Glaceon EX, not the full art. Okay. 2 packs left. Touch an Eevee by its toe. Well, you let it go. Second to last pack, let's see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got. Applin. Nice little trainer. And last card is a Vaporeon. Last pack magic. Let's see. Let's see if we actually saved the good pack for last. Ooh, we got a Pokeball. And the last card is Archaludon Holo. So out of the binder bundle, we got a Glaceon EX, a Rescue Board Pokeball, and a Atticus Full Art Trainer. Not too bad, could be better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out a couple of my other videos, like when I pulled the Pikachu SIR out of Surging Sparks. This is the Beckett Pristine 10 Pikachu that we got graded by Beckett Grading Services. First one of its kind. Go check out the video down in the link below. See you guys in the next one. Peace.